Hello, my name is Hassan and this is Techie Steps. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to take a screenshot using your Google Chromebook. Alright, let's get to it. In order to take a screenshot on your Chromebook, you're going to press two keys. The first key is the control key, which is on the bottom left corner. The second key that you want to press is the Windows switch key. If you're looking at the escape key, which is on the top left corner, count 5 keys over. The key should have a symbol of a square with 2 lines on the right. So you're going to press the control key and that Windows switch key, and guess what? You got yourself a screenshot. So something to mention with the screenshot is actually, it's taking the entire screen. Let's say you have an example where you want to take a screenshot of a quote, but it's surrounded by other information. And all you want to see is just that one quote within that screenshot. All right, so let's go ahead and show you how to do that. You're going to press the control key, the shift key, and then that same Windows switch key. So go ahead and do that right now. And you can see that your screen is going to dim. All right. So you now have a crosshair. You're going to move that crosshair to where you want to start from. So you're going to click and hold and drag over what you want to capture. You can see here in this example, I'm able to move this crosshair to where exactly I want to end up, the quote. All right, so my quote is actually captured. Again, be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. Great quote, right?
If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And remember, when you subscribe, click on the notification bell to never miss a beat with Techie Steps.